Hi everyone, my name is Edita and these are my groupmates. Today we are to introduce you to Relance, the brand guideline. So next, this is the content page. We have overview, branding, launch campaign, application, and also the general art direction rules that we have to follow to this certain art guide. Next. To start, what exactly is the Project Relance? So it's a platform that we are to design to help these users to find eyewear that actually fits their face and their style through clean, immersive, augmented reality try-ons. Our goal is very simple, to make eyewear shopping experience easier and also smarter, significantly more sustainable as well. So why did we build this? We identified a specific gap into the current market. Consumers struggle to use eyewear online because of the existing AR tools and also the physical fit. So they fail to convert that feeling of emotional gap with the consumers. That's why we close this gap, where Relance pair realistic AR try-ons with emotional style-driven design that helps users see not only how the frames fit their face, but also how they fit their own identity. So the vision and mission is to define that revolutionize eyewear shopping by making it virtual try-on, intuitive, personalized, and eco-minded. And our mission is to provide an accessible AR platform that boosts buyer confidence, crucially to aim reduce return waste and also the environmental cost of returning items that doesn't fit. So this aims to help them sustainable shopping through digital design. And the target audience with the user USP is that we serve what sets us apart from the target audience. It's younger adults that age 18 to 35, digital natives who value personal style and also prioritize sustainability in purchasing decision. Our unique selling proposition is that emotional design, an AR system built on emotional design principles, not only just utility, interface, a clean, modern, and minimal interface that focuses on clarity, clear, and also inclusivity, design that adapts to different face shapes, and also sustainability, where we promote sustainable consumption, aligning ourselves with our SDG goals 12, responsible consumption and production. And with that, we move on to the next slide by Lizzie.
So as for our branding, we want our logo to subtly symbolize elements of glasses, as it is what our main project is about. So as you can see, the L there, it symbolizes the glasses handle. And we also implemented a contrasting serif font for the letter N, as it can enhance the modern tone that we were aiming for, as our target audience are young adults from 18 to 35-year-olds. We also use really minimal curves on the R, as seen here, as it can symbolize glasses lens as well. So overall, the Relance logo is aiming to reflect clarity and also a fresh perspective, with its rounded shapes, clean strokes, giving off a more friendly feeling to it, also matching the brand's goal of helping people explore their style through eyewear. Next slide, please. Now, as for the logo clear space, the minimum clear space around the logo is defined using the height of the letter N as the spacing unit. So please ensure to maintain the spacing on all sides to ensure readability. So avoid placing the logo too close to edges and also surround it or surround it with heavy visual elements. And also do not reduce the spacing for balance purposes. Next slide, please. As for our logo rationalization, this diagram, as you can see here, is used to ensure and explain the construction logic behind the type form, behind the logo type, and also ensures future consistency. Next slide, please. As for our brand colors, we chose four colors, and the white and the dark gray and the red here is our primary colors. We will be using the white as the main background and the main elements tone. We will be using the red as the accent color for our AR interaction, and the dark gray will be used for the fonts and the text. As for our secondary color, we used this blue color for our supporting visuals. So for our colors, please do not add any gradients that are not approved or introduce new colors. Next slide, please. As for our typography, we selected Momo Trust Sans for our main and only typeface because of its clean geometric architecture, and it's also minimalist and modern, which also aligns with our brand materials so that it can feel precise and more sophisticated as our personalized AR application later on. Next slide, please. And here are our logo do's and don'ts. So do not distort the logo, do not rotate or angle the logo, do not use unapproved colors, and do not add outlines, shadows, or any additional effects. Next slide. And from this, I will pass it on to Pricillia for the launch campaign.
So for the branding itself, as Relens is having clean aesthetics, all campaign visuals must follow Relens art direction, which is minimal, clean, modern layouts, consistent use of the color palette, soft gradients and subtle depth, clear typographic hierarchy, and plenty of breathing space. Do not use overly complex patterns or illustrations, introduce unrelated textures, or add photography styles that are not aligned with our brand. So for the first visuals, which represents creative, the tagline says every face deserves the perfect frame, and it is executed by creatively pairing each face with a frame that best enhances their own characters. Next slide. The second one represents practical. Different frame sizes, shapes, and placements are used to highlight individuality and encourage new ways of seeing. Please. And the last visual represents trendy, as Relens itself empowers users across all ages group by integrating current visual trends to boost creative confidence and relevance with the following tagline: see beyond ordinary. Next slide, please. And this is our visual mockup using the platform Instagram as an example, as this campaign served the campaign. For the application, I'll let Tracy take over.
Okay, now for the application, which is Relens, Reconnect, Reimagine, and Relens. So for the app user interface, goals is to help user find glasses that suit their face and provide a smooth and simple shopping experience. For the core value, they are AR try-on, personalized recommendation, and convenient and efficient shopping. And then this is our information architecture. It provides the home and then profile, card, favorite, and AR try-on. Then for the app style guide, for the typography and colors, we follow the same part like the branding part. And then the iconography, we use a clean outline style for clear and intuitive user interaction. And then for the layout size, which is iPhone 16. So before we moving on to the high fidelity prototype, we create the low fidelity prototype to show the main flow for the app. And then this is the components we use it for high fidelity. And for the user journey for Relens application, there are 6 steps, which is launch app, get started, and then homepage, try on, selecting the frame, and purchase. So for the final product, we start with the splash and onboarding section. And then the next part, which is the welcome and sign up page. So you can actually select between sign up and login. And then for sign up, you need to fill up your name, username or email, and then password. And then moving on to the homepage. This homepage like showing the category, search button, card, and then like some ads to try on the 3D. And if you see the top left part, which is the icon, it will show your profile page. And then for the favorite screen, which is located in the navigation bar, the heart icon, you can view your favorite glasses and recently view and then your saved looks. Then for the AR try-on, which is the main flow, so before you move on to the face scanning, it will like showing the question to ask user preference and then some instruction. I will pass the next section to Jessie.
Next, user can scan and capture their face using camera. Then the system analyzes their face and recommends suitable glasses frame according to their face shape. Next. After that, user click the glasses they like, then the product details will appear. They can choose the frame color and size, and also they can try on with AR features to see how it looks like when they wear the glasses. They can also directly add to cart. Next. For try on AR, user can preview glasses in real time using AR. They can compare different frame, style, and color. The system will recommend user also like which frame color suit their skin tone or what kind of style that the user wants. Next. After user takes a photo, user can save it so they can preview on the favorite page. They also can share it or add to cart. Next. Next, if users save to cart, they can review their cart, choose their delivery location, apply their vouchers, select payment method, then place the order. Next, this is the app preview. Next. And this is our QR code to our working files. Next is general art direction rules. For layout and grids, use consistent margins, follow 12 columns grid, and keep compositions balanced. For imagery, use minimal, soft lighting, use color palette, avoid image with strong shadows or background. Next. For typography, use approved type family only, maintain hierarchy, and avoid decorative fonts. For the tone and style, we use calm, clean, modern, confident, inclusive.
So to conclude, Relance is designed to solve the disconnect in online eyewear shopping and also to move beyond the simple utility to create an experience of user consumption with emotional and also personal as well as sustainable. Thank you so much for listening to our presentation. We hope that if you have any questions, you can text us. Thank you very much.